Trump delivered a fiery speech at the UN General Assembly in New York. His words were sharp, controversial, and aimed at rivals and allies. Trump attacks UN and globalism. Trump mocked the UN for being weak and inefficient. He made fun of broken escalators and teleprompters. He called the UN a symbol of global failure. He accused the UN of ignoring real threats while wasting money on climate change. He said climate policies are a scam designed to weaken strong nations. He attacked uncontrolled immigration and warned Western countries were going to hell. Warnings for Europe. Trump blasted Europe for buying energy from Russia. He called it inexcusable and embarrassing. He warned the US may hit Europe with tariffs. He demanded stronger sanctions against Russia. Gaza war and Hamas. Trump addressed the war in Gaza, lasting more than 700 days. He demanded Hamas release all hostages immediately. He criticized European countries recognizing a Palestinian state. He said recognition is meaningless if it includes Hamas. Trump said he can be the deal maker who ends the conflict. America first. Trump repeated his America first message. He said the US won't let foreign powers decide its policies. He tied this message to border security and jobs. This warns nations the US will not play by the old rules. Controversial quotes. Trump told world leaders, "Your countries are going to hell." He joked about broken UN equipment. He sees the United Nations as outdated and broken. Love him or hate him, Trump knows how to dominate attention. Conclusion. Trump's UN speech was blunt, confrontational, and unapologetic. He attacked the UN, warned Europe, pressured Hamas, and doubled down on America first. The question now, will world leaders listen, or will divisions grow deeper? Was Trump right, or did he go too far?